Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem of update on the application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.